The Casa Grande Domes were a series of odd-shaped structures that were built to be used as a computer chip manufacturing facility in the late 70s and early 80s. The facility was never completed and sat abandoned in the desert for over 30 years. One of the dome structures partially collapsed sometime in 2017 and was condemned by the city. The domes were featured several times in various paranormal TV shows, including Ghost Hunters. Some say they were haunted and used for satanic rituals. After several years of battles between the owners and the city of Casa Grande, the domes were voted to be torn down by the city council. They were demolished on January 9, 2023. Did you ever visit these strange structures? Leave a comment below.